guys, this is Haps and welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday. I'm not sure of the date, but it is May. It's still May. And welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Happy. I do hair videos, I do makeup, and I also do random vlogs. Today, I am coming to you with an updated nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to make this video as quick as possible because we are scheduled to have load shedding at 4 o'clock. And the time now is 3 o'clock. And yes, this is a nighttime skincare routine at 3 p.m. in the afternoon, because I don't really have a choice. Okay, so to start, I'm going to start off by cleansing my face, and I will be using this Dischem Even and Matte Vitamin C Cleansing Foam. Just going to take a pea size of that. Oh, that is the scrubber. Put that back in there. This is the cleanser. It's creamy white. Have that much. Put a bit of water in it. Rub it in between your palms to activate it. Rub it until it gives a little bit of foam. Apply it on your skin and then just cleanse. Okay, let's push this back. We do know there's a lot of face a little bit further. There we go. Okay, start cleansing. I'm gonna take one of these because I do have a mustache, so okay, we move on to scrubbing. To scrub, I am going to use the Garnier Even and Matte. It says Instant Radiance Scrub. It's nice and bright yellow, very lemony. Put a bit of water on there. Okay, rub it together to activate it. It's not going to foam as much. There we go. Apply it on my face. We are going to put a little bit of the serum on my face, and I'm going to be using this right here. It's the Pond's Flawless Radiance. It says it is a perfecting serum for even toned smooth skin. We would all love an even toned smooth skin, so we are going to give it a try. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you, babe. Oh, thank you. Okay. So this perfecting serum claims to target and fade blemishes in 7 days, instantly boosts radiance and hydrates your skin flawlessly, even tones your natural skin tone. Okay. 10 times blemish reducing power. Very bold. Let's see. Okay. Apply daily, morning and evening before moisturizer. Okay, we're gonna do that. It doesn't say how many pumps you should be applying. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's very nice and simple actually. It's a pump outer, even though it doesn't say how many pumps you are going to need. So I'm going to apply 3. Okay. Well, okay, that's 4 because why not? Okay, something, something. Oh, wow, so nice and thin, so cold, smells good. Okay, yeah, 4 pumps was a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna use these 2 fingers to apply it on my skin. Wow. Okay, it's my first time applying this. I love it already. And you know, from the consistency of this, you would think that it's going to be thick and just plaster on your skin. But wow, I'm amazed at how hydrated my skin already feels. And just by looking at the skin as well. I love it. Okay. Ah, don't break it. Oh, Kosian, 120 rand, almost. So, how deal? So, ndithi now, ndizayiyeka injeke sana. Ndizayiyeka injeke sana. Lahla kwelo cardboard live. But into itshoyo is that in 7 days, so the next Sunday I better see some difference. Nani guys, you can be my witnesses, okay? But I'm still so amazed at how it leaves my skin feeling. It's not tacky, and it doesn't feel like I'm wearing a mask. You know, those serums, when you put it on, you like, doesn't feel like that. It's very nice and comfortable. Doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything actually, but when I am looking at my skin and how it feels, Pons, you're onto something. Love it. Love it already. Not paid, by the way. Not a paid video. I'm a drink to you, Pons, and how you're making me feel right now. I'm now using the Lemon Light Even Tone Complexion Cream with vitamin A, E, and F. Never heard of vitamin F. If you have, enlighten me, please, down below. What is that? Restores a radiant, matte, even-toned complexion. Okay, so I think we can all now get the gist. I'm in a quest to find a very even-toned skin. Okay, so we're gonna apply that on my face really evenly. There we go. Oof. Okay, so just gonna let that sit for like 2 minutes whilst I take another sip because why not? And then I'm gonna go into my sheet mask. Okay, so I just got my jade roller as well as my sheet mask from the refrigerator. Now we're just gonna put that on my face, the sheet mask. I am using the hyaluronic acid collagen face mask. Love anything with hyaluronic, love anything with collagen. So this is going to make me look 16 or else I'm gonna be so disappointed. No, so nice and cold. Ooh, coming up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Perfection. Let's apply that. Oof. The mask on. I am gonna keep this on for like 15 minutes or so. Probably too much. And then I'm gonna come back with an additional serum with the Jroma as well, and we'll see what I look like. And meanwhile, I'm gonna go and enjoy my boyfriend's company while I look like Casper the Ghost. Okay, so I am done disturbing my boyfriend's peace, and the mask needs to come off. I love how this feels when you take it off. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so we just took the face mask off. And now we've got the Jroma, which we are going to use, and this is supposed to help the product penetrate the skin a lot more effectively and a lot more quicker. So I am going to use the biggest side for the rest of my face. I'm going to use the smaller side for the under eyes. We are going to start with the bigger section. Bikers. So we're going to go over each section 3 times, outwards and upwards. Okay. 1. Oh, it's so cold. 2. Okay. 3. And the next section. And then you just do that all over the face. Okay. Once you reach the eye, you go into the smaller section. You can do the up and down over this way. I like to do it like that. 1, 2, and 3, and then up, 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 bigger side, 1, 2, and 3. Flip, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, smaller, 1, 2, 3, and then we do that. 1, 2, 3, and up. 2, 3, bigger side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can do this for as long as you want, I guess. Mina, once that is done, I like to just do this, some of this. I don't know why. 3. That is it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video very, very much. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section down below. I love hearing from you. And but is it supposed to sting? Well, tell me, what are your thoughts on my skin? Do you have any suggestions as to what I can use for the little marks that I have on my cheeks? Because those are very, very, very irritating. And I'm hoping this new serum from Pond's that I got is going to help. I've read quite a few good comments about it. That is why I decided to go for it. You guys, until our next video, please do stay happy, and I really do appreciate you, and thank you for sticking it out until our next video. Stay happy.